Where are you going today? Do you know?
I don't know where we're going.
Say, I'm going to Animal Kingdom.
I don't see Animal Kingdom.
You going to see some animals? Yeah. So we are going to Animal Kingdom this morning, and we did purchase the Disney Genie Plus just to see how it works, and it is a weekend, so we figured, and we're going to be in Animal Kingdom all day, so we figured maybe it'll be worth it. We'll let you know when we finish the day if we thought it was worth it or not. Ooh, who is that? You want to tell everyone who this is? And tell them who he is.
He is a tiger.
He's a tiger? I thought he was a lion. Do you know what his name is? His name is Simba. He's from The Lion King, the movie, The Lion King.
It's a Simba.
Simba, yeah. Wow, so good. You're so good at singing. You're welcome. We just entered Animal Kingdom, and we have a view of the Tree of Life right now. It is beautiful, as always. Isabella's reading her map and yawning.
Telling us where to go.
Yeah, she's telling us where we should head to. You see the big tree, Isabella? Do you see the big tree here?
It's called the Tree of Life.
Yeah.
Oh, I see Bambi, and I see Pumbaa and Pumbaa.
Oh yeah, we see some gold statues too as we approach the tree. So our reservation for the Kilimanjaro Safari is at 10:20 with Disney Genie Plus. So we're gonna try to head to Everest and see if we can do that. Not Isabella, obviously, but if we could do that before the safari ride. We spotted a monkey. Oh, look at that monkey. Oh my gosh. Look at that monkey go. You're a show-off. He's a show-off. Look at him. He's like, this is nothing. This is easy. Look, now I'm just gonna go to the top one and just sit here and flex my stuff.
Wait for everything around here.
He's really talented. Say bye, monkey. Bye. And there is Everest.
Here, go stand over here. Stand in front of this statue right here.
In front of this statue?
Right here. Line it up exactly with the mountain. It lines exactly up.
Oh, that's weird.
Back. See the mountain.
Oh, yeah. But it looks rather foggy right now. What do you think about that, the fog over Everest?
I mean, I've never been to Mount Everest when it wasn't foggy in the top.
You've been to Mount Everest a couple times? Yeah. A couple times.
A lot of disco yetis.
Yeah. Look at that fog.
Did you know that? They have a lot of disco yetis up there?
No, I didn't know that.
It's a big party zone.
I got to check it out. I just finished up on Everest, and now David's gonna go on. It was literally like a 5-minute wait for single riders, so that worked out really well. Isabella's sitting here watching the roller coaster. Do you like watching the roller coaster?
Daddy's gonna go on.
Daddy's gonna go on it? Are you gonna see Daddy on it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if we could see him, okay? Is that cool? That's cool? That's silly.
That's faster.
That's so fast, right? There he is. Daddy was on that one. Did you see Daddy on that one?
No.
You didn't see him? Well, he was on that one. That's the one he was on. Here's a little Yeti hat. Here is a Spirit jersey with the Yeti on it. It's really cute. How was your ride on Expedition Everest?
It only took about 3 weeks to do.
Yeah.
I don't feel that bad actually. I mean, I feel like I could do more in the park. I hear these stories about Everest. I don't think it's that bad. I mean,
It's actually pretty fun, right?
yeah, it is.
You just scream a little bit, but it's fun.
Is there something I'm missing? Like, am I supposed to be telling you it's very hard to do? The trek was very hard.
Yeah.
There's not much oxygen up there, and frankly, there's a lot of airbands.
But now it's a standby wait of 20 minutes.
It did stop as soon as I got it online, so that probably backed it up quite a bit.
Yeah.
They probably skipped, well, besides the wait, about 4 trains went through.
Yeah, I saw empty trains going through. They were
Because they
testing
wanted-
it out.
Well, it's not that. It's because they wanted to get the people off the
Oh,
ride
they
first.
wanted to get people off.
There's
right.
about
That
3
makes
cars,
sense.
3
That
trains
makes sense. That makes sense.
stuck in the mountain.
Yeah, that's
And I wouldn't want to be in the mountain with the Yeti.
no, the Yeti's actually, I always close my eyes because I'm scared of the Yeti.
I feel like he wasn't awake fully.
I don't know, I'm just so scared. I just get really scared.
But there actually was not as many headbands.
No, I didn't notice that many.
There's some, not
Yeah.
as many as usual.
Yeah.
I did not toss mine, for the record.
You see a big monkey? She said it's her monkey. Apparently she thinks she... Oh, wait, what?
Look over here.
What?
There's somebody coming out.
Oh, there's someone coming out, yeah. There's Simone and Rafiki. Are you a monkey? Ooh-ee-ah-ah? Is that what a monkey says? Ooh-ee-ah-ah? There's a big monkey? Let's see. Okay, hold on. I know you're excited. I don't see it. There's the monkey. Oh, it's climbing up. Oh, whoa, look at that. Oh, they're saying hi to each other.
Are they?
I don't know, maybe not. A big monkey. Yoo-hoo.
Trying to go home over?
We just got our picture taken, right, Isabella? And he was funny, the guy. Was he funny? He was making all sorts of impressions. He was good, right? Yeah. So that was fun. Daddy's taking some pictures. We're gonna go over by Daddy because there's something to see apparently. And there's a boat coming that way. We don't know who is on it, but we will find out soon enough. Isabella, your favorite character's coming.
Donald Duck already passed.
You know who it is?
Don't
You
get her hopes
you
up.
think it might be Mickey? Maybe. Let's see. You see them?
See him?
You see them, Isabella? Yay! Wave to them.
Hey.
Wave, Isabella. Say hi. Hi. Yay!
Adventurers and explorers, look! It's Mickey and his pals celebrating
See 'em?
50 years of Disney magic on the Discovery River.
Did you see them? Yay!
Oh, it's just drummers.
is Kilimanjaro Safari. We're gonna go on at Lightning Lane. It is a 50-minute standby entrance wait right now. Ready to go on the safari and take pictures? You're gonna take a picture on the safari? Well, there's gonna be a lot of animals to take a picture.
How do I get a camera as small as yours?
And the quality of hers too, right? That's so cute. We're going on Kilimanjaro Safari. So we'll see how long the wait is for the Lightning Lane. Hopefully not that long. Isabella, you going on a safari? Yeah, you gonna take pictures of the animals? She's getting ready for the safari.
I think it's something my friends out here in Harambe, we like to say twin day, and that means let's go. Reminders, number one, start remain fully and completely seated. But the first one I'll show you is on the right. That's an okapi. Okapis are the only known relative, the cousin of the giraffe.
Okapis.
With its long purple prehensile tongue. Very similar skull structure.
Look at them.
A bit smaller in size. A black rhinos, they could weigh about 3 to nearly 4,000 pounds.
Look, it's over there.
They're quite agile for the massive size. They can run up to 35 miles per hour. Pretty crazy to think that a 4,000-pound animal can run.
Good job. That's cool. I never seen that before.
2 black rhinos in their own separate yard, so they have their own space. But to the right, before the alleyway under the water, you can see 2 hippopotamus down there. A little baby hippo mixed in there as well.
That's cool.
Now, hippos are not breathing when they're under the water. They're holding their breath. And hippos can hold their breath under the water for up to 7 to 9 minutes before they have to come on up to the surface. Take breath.
Whoa, look at that bird.
The big white birds here on this island to the left, those are the pink-backed pelicans. The reason they get such a funky name is because during their mating seasons, the backs will turn a very light shade of pink. Now, before we leave the Safi River, we're going to cross this bridge, and as we do, if you look down your left, largest species of crocodilian within all of Africa. They can grow 16 feet in length and weigh up to and over 1,000 pounds. Next area of the reserve, which is known as the savannah. The savannah is a great location to find lots of different animals. Down here today.
Let me take a picture with the lion.
With the lion? Look, the zebras! You see the zebras? You see them?
Now, unfortunately, there are no zebras out here today.
Oh, they're not?
Now, no striped pattern on any species of zebra is ever going to be the same. Each one is unique and different to just them, kind of like how for us our fingerprints are unique and different to ourselves.
Look.
And look at the size of the horns on this guy next to us. Isn't that amazing, everybody? Pretty incredible.
I don't know. What is that?
Now, also further back, the sable antelope, emblem of Harambe Wildlife Reserve for their bravery and resiliency.
That picture of it?
In a fight-or-flight situation, the sable antelope.
Some giraffes
on the other side. Now, while
see the
their
giraffes?
horns, do look very. And not only do they have their very long neck.
Oh, mommy and baby.
And giraffes throughout the day, they're going to eat a whole lot, up to 20 hours of the day.
Another one on this side that's going to eat. I have to only sleep 30 minutes.
30 seconds to 2 minutes at a time.
Oh my gosh, look, Isabella. Isabella, Isabella. Look
And
right
one
here.
really interesting thing
Oh my
that they have
gosh,
in
look at
common
this.
with humans is going to be the amount of vertebrae that we have in our necks. And that number is 7.
so
Just
beautiful.
theirs happens
Isn't it
to be a
beautiful?
lot longer than ours.
Oh my god, there's another one there.
There's another female back there. Now, when a female giraffe gives birth, she actually gives birth standing up.
Bye-bye.
So the very first thing that any baby ever experiences in their life is about a 5-foot drop to the floor.
There's
So
elephants.
2 female African elephants. Females, they weigh 7,000 to 9,000 pounds.
I'll sit down though.
Males a little bit larger, about 11,000 to 13,000 pounds. And they'll consume
They're so
around
pretty.
300
You see the
pounds of food in a single
Isabella?
day. Now we're going to
take a
try and go
picture?
find some more elephants, but if you look to the left, you'll find the mandrills there. Look at the size of the
Maybe
alpha
we'll see
male there in the
more.
middle.
Oh,
of
look
the
at these
tree and the
guys.
rocks. Now, mandrills are the largest species
They're like
of monkey. They
monkeys,
can weigh
kind
up
of.
to 100 pounds. And if you're thinking they do look familiar,
They are monkeys.
that's because they probably do. Maps over here to the right-hand side.
Look.
Now, we all know the elephants for having their long trunks, which have no bones in them.
Oh my
Made up of all muscles inside the elephant's trunk alone. About 40,000 muscles.
Right?
Now, if you compare that to the
cleaning
entire
himself.
human body, which holds 650 muscles, that'll be quite the difference. Now, you see that elephant putting a lot of water in its trunk and throwing it all over its body. The elephant trunk at one time is able to hold about 2.5 gallons worth of water. To the left, these are the greater flamingo, the largest and lightest pink of the flamingo species. And they get their coloring from their diets, which is made up of brine shrimp and other small fish high in beta-carotene. Now, if you do look closely here on the island, you do notice a couple of flamingos that are not really pink. They're pretty gray. Those are still young greater flamingos, about 4 to 5 months old.
Oh, there they are. You see them? Look.
Which way do you want to look?
Look, Isabella. Whoa. You see them? You see the lions?
Now the lions, the big male has that mane around his neck about 25 pounds heavy.
See him?
And though he is large and
You see he's
powerful
sleeping.
when it
He went to
comes
sleep, the
hunting,
lion.
the lioness,
lion
the
went to
females,
sleep.
do
You
the
see him?
majority of the work. The males will stay at home, protect the land, and protect the cubs, like the stay-at-home
You
dad.
see him? There's a
Now, they
lion.
do sleep around 20 hours of the day, saving their energy.
He's a
That's
lion,
in
yeah.
preparation for their big hunts. And every
He's
12
sleeping.
animals, they usually try and find
He's
food.
sleeping.
Only successful once or twice. Now, these animals originally found in western parts of Africa,
Oh, look at this,
domesticated
Isabella.
around the world, defended
goats.
farmlands and reserves.
Goats. You see the goats?
We have been on today, and then hang around here. They eat the grass,
Look,
where
look.
it feeds them as well, making sure that
Look
they
at all
are
the
kept
goats
nice
there. You
and
see 'em?
healthy. And as a thank you, the goats will provide the world
It's
with
a
lots of
goat.
delicious milk, high protein.
See that gorilla there? He's looking at the water. Maybe, oh, he might be sleeping. Yeah, maybe he is sleeping.
Figuring out Genie Plus.
Oh, he's trying to figure out Genie Plus, how to get on the rides as fast as possible. Look at him, you see him?
Yeah.
He's kind of just resting, right? I think he fell asleep.
All right, it's right over there. So.
And that one too sleeping. I think they're both sleeping. So we just went on Kilimanjaro safaris, and now we are going to see the Festival of the Lion King show. We got Isabella some chips just to hold her over for the show, because it starts at 11:30, so it's about her lunchtime. Isabella really enjoyed the safari ride. We saw tons of animals. We see a lot of animals on the safari. Isabella? Yes or no? She's busy eating her chips right now. And we just got a Lightning Lane Fast Pass for Festival of Lion King. I don't know if we really need one, but we figured it's a good show, so let's go see it. Oh, I think there's a musical band playing. Isabella just pointed it out. Put your hands up. Hands up. Bump together. That was good, Isabella.
Greetings, everyone. Come on, welcome. It looks like we're all here. Let's go.
Well, this stinks. Sorry. No, not you, Pumbaa. They're ruining my big number. Come on, everybody. You know the words. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze.
The eagle and Nile, missing me a while. Peeping undisputed perspective, so you can see no wonder I yes, my teeth and ambitions are being degraded. Yes, my teeth and ambitions are being degraded.
Wow.
An enchanted moment. me through. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you. Can you feel the love tonight? Country
saw the Lion King show and it was really good, but it was really good for Isabella. Isabella enjoyed it. Yeah, they didn't have like acrobatics that they've had in the past because she said because of COVID, the cast member. So
that was always my favorite part.
Yeah, so I don't know if they're gonna bring it back or what, but we just ordered.
Chapek.
Yeah, I don't know.
I blame him for everything.
Yeah, but we just ordered food at Pizzafari, which is right up there, and David.
Our go-to here.
And David did it on the mobile app, so you just do it on the My Disney Experience app, and you can order whatever you want, and then they tell you when it's time to pick it up. Well, it like turns purple, the screen. David just picked up our Pizzafari dish. We got the pizza and a side salad of Caesar. He got pepperoni, I got plain. And here's Isabella's. I just like broke it up for her. She's eating it. Do you like it? Good. And Isabella also got this Danimals yogurt and a milk, a low-fat milk, and also this like orange tangerine. Is it tangerine? No. I don't know. Yeah, clementine. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm talking about. And we got 3 waters, so. Good, right? Good. Time transport loading day. Right now, I am waiting to go on Dinosaur. David's outside with Isabella, and I should be on shortly. So I just got out of Dinosaur, and Isabella got a new pair of ears. She got Disney princess ears, and she wants to take a picture with this dinosaur here. How did you like your dinosaur ride?
It's not my dino.
I was scared. I closed my eyes. I actually haven't done that ride in a while, to be honest, but it was scary.
Yeah, I told her, I don't want to ruin the magic or anything, but the dinosaurs are actually leashed in so they can't attack you. They only have a certain...
Oh, you have to close your eyes because it's scary.
Yeah. Unless, I don't know, maybe a chain might break, but I don't think they can physically reach you.
I don't know.
Yeah, like I said, they're
I was scared. Anyway, I don't really like doing that by myself. Like normally you're with me. So that was like even more scary. I was like in a row all by myself. And I was at the edge of the row. So I wasn't even in the middle.
I was at the edge of the row too, and I banged my elbow against the side.
Just some Disney ducks hanging out in Animal Kingdom. This is right by the Tree of Life. That's David and Isabella over there, exploring. It's so pretty here. Look at the Tree of Life. So pretty. What is that? Oh, it is, yeah. Oh, that's neat.
Oh, I see a rhino.
Oh, wow, look at that. A rhino, Isabella. You see it? See the water? Oh, wow, look at that. Here are tiny little monkeys. She's hanging out. So cute. Nico and Pocahontas on a float. See him? Where is he? See Nico? See him, Isabella? Yay! He just posed for you. Yeah. He saw your camera and he posed for you.
You did?
Yeah, you didn't take a picture of him?
Oh, I did. I was posing.
Oh yeah, he was posing for you, for sure.
Finally, you got a shot of Miko.
Yeah. In Disneyland, Miko never came to greet us at one of the restaurants. Now I finally got Miko. Oh, Isabella needs her camera. Wow, they're flying. There's another cavalcade coming on a boat soon, okay? It's gonna be Chip and Dale in their dino outfits and Goofy. Yay! Look at them!
Venture to the
Yay!
Say hello to some of your favorite pals.
Hey Goofy, Chip and Dale!
To the water.
Did you see them? Did you see Chip, Dale, and Goofy? Yeah! Goodbye! Isabella, do you know what we're gonna see? We're gonna see birds. You ready to see birds?
Yes.
Okay. You excited about this?
You have your camera ready?
You got your camera ready to go? You gonna be taking pictures of the birds? Look at that. It's a bird.
Welcome to Feathered Birds in Play. My name is Lucy.
And I'm Scott.
And that little bird who just recycled is named Denver. Collared raven, one of the smartest birds we have here, right?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, birds have been the story here pretty much ever since we've had shows here. And the best part of our day is getting to share all these birds with all of you, right?
Yeah, it's true. This really is our favorite part of every day. Coming out here, sharing our birds and their stories with you, like that bird right up there and that one coming in. These are two spoonbills. Their names are Troy and Abed.
Yeah, so these are two different types of spoonbills, a Rosian spoonbill and an African spoonbill. They get their name because of those beak shapes, right? And they actually use those beaks to get their food, and their food helps give the pink ones that coloration, so they're kind of similar to flamingos. This is a great example right here. This one is Caroline, who is a trumpeter hornbill, and she's out of here. No, I'm just kidding. She'll be back in a minute. Let's see if Caroline can fly right through the middle of the forest. We are all set to go, Caroline. We are building suspense.
See if she could do it. Ready?
GPS and roll!
Whoa! She did it!
That was perfect. Yeah, great job.
The bird!
He shoots up, and we'll let him choose his own fate, I guess.
Okay, choose your own adventure through the forest. I love it.
All right, well, there are a lot
Ooh,
of
look at
trees.
it!
No, we're gonna go through it. We're gonna go through. Okay, here we go. Let's
He's gonna
see
come.
if Caroline can fly
Let's
all
see.
the way to the back
Watch.
to where TJ is.
You got like 4 now.
Guys, we got sit down, sit down, sit down.
With your line.
Trees.
Let's see if he'll do it.
Here
Sit
we
down,
go.
watch Caroline. Whoa!
Trees.
Good.
Groucho, do you want to tell everyone hello? Hello. Good job. Yeah, that's mimic. Right? He's copying things that he's heard. Now, Groucho here has lived around people his entire life, so he's learned a lot of stuff. He's one of the best mimickers in the whole world, and hopefully he wants to show off a little bit. What do you say, Groucho? Will you share what we've been working on? Do something special. Groucho, could you give everyone a great big kiss?
Aww. So we just saw Feathered Friends in Flight, and I thought it was actually a really good show. The only thing is Isabel didn't really like it that much, but I think she was a little tired. But now we're going to try to check out Kite Tails. We'll see if we...
Good thing.
Yeah. You just want to see it, see how it is. Yeah, I heard things about it. And Isabella fell asleep, so she's not going to get to see Kite Tails, but that's okay. She needed a nap for sure. She was tired. So we have this view of Kite Tails. The best view would be from this area over there. The one, let me see, right over there. That area would be the best viewing area. But in this area over here, you can't have the stroller. So we decided that we'd stay in this area because they said you could have the stroller in this area. And Isabella's sleeping, so we're definitely not gonna wake her up for this show. Here are the kites that are being blown up right now. There's Simba, there's Zazu, And is this Simba or Mufasa? I'm not sure. Should be interesting to see.
It's our pleasure to officially launch the high-only adventure is Disney Hotels!
Kite tails.
Had a crash landing.
Yeah, that part's a little weird, but
I think it has potential, but do they really need to land it the way they land it into the stands, upside down?
I don't know. I mean, I didn't see it from your angle. The angle I had was like, you couldn't really see it landing there. I thought maybe it was landing in like a green box like the other ones.
That would make sense if it had something to block off.
Block off.
But even if, like, even in the
but
far
some of
water,
them they did have that. Like the Zazu one was landed in the green box. Yeah.
But all the main characters, Pumbaa, they all flipped over. Died.
Yeah.
That's what it looked like afterwards.
Isabella slept through the show. That's what she thought of it.
Not high.
Yeah. No, it wasn't bad. It was a good show. It was just the only thing is it's also in the sun, so that's
very
not the
short.
best. Yeah, it's only like 10 minutes long, so not a long show at all. Yeah.
I don't mind those.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. And we are heading to Avatar area, and there's Donald Duck and what is his name? I forget his name. There they are. Aww, give a kiss.
Good job,
I forget his name.
Launchpad McFly.
Yes, Launchpad. That's right. That's right, Launchpad. Isabella missed him. And we are heading to Pandora now. We do have a fast pass, right? Well, not fast pass, sorry. I have to get used to this new term, lightning lane. We do have I don't know, a Genie, yeah, we have a Genie Plus for Navi River Journey. But Isabella's still sleeping and she could do that one, so we'll wait until she wakes up to do it. And now we are heading to Navi River Journey. Isabella woke up and it says a standby entrance time of 50 minutes, so this was pretty worth it because we're gonna probably get right on with our lightning lane pass now. And this is the lightning lane entrance. You're gonna go on a boat? You're gonna go on a boat, Isabella? Hey, wait, Isabella, you have to hold my hand, sweetie. Can't let go of my hands here. Oh, there's a line here for the lightning lane. Dun dun dun. So we just went to the fast food restaurant in Pandora, and this is what Isabella got, chicken rice. She had a good meal. And this is what I got, shrimp and pasta. And this is what Daddy got. We got these little burger buns and some chips with it. Isabella, how was your dinner?
Good.
Good, you enjoyed it? How was the boat ride that you just went on, the Navi River journey? Did you like that?
No.
No, you got a little scared on it? Because it was a little dark, right? So you got a little scared? But it was fun, right? You saw banshees, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Banshees. How was your dinner? Yeah. It has a very distinct taste to it, this place, so has an interesting taste. You have to have like, I guess like we just like plain food. I think we talked about this once before. We're just very plain eaters and it's not plain food, so. Isabella, you enjoyed having ketchup and mayo on your chicken and rice, right? All right, let's go do some more rides. We don't know what we're doing, but we'll figure it out, right? Let's go. Here is Nemo and Dory, gold statues for the 50th. Nemo and Dory. Here's Pumbaa, Timon, and Simba. Over here, the gold statues. And Isabella, what did you just do? You took some what? Did you like taking the pictures? Yeah? Yeah. And we got some photo pass pictures and we're right near Dino Land right now. And it still says Donald's Dino Bash even though Donald and friends are not here anymore.
They're on the float, the boat.
Yep, they're on the boats, but they're not in here. But we're heading towards those dinosaurs because I know Isabella will love that ride. You see the dino right there? All right, let's go. Ready to go for a spin? You ready? You ready? We're all the way up top. You want to go down? You can go down a little. Push down. We'll go down. Whoa! Want to go back up? Ready? Whoa! Is that fun? That was fun, right? You want to do it again with Daddy? Here is this ride over here, and you can see it's all taken apart. Very interesting to see. And now David is going on the dino ride again with Isabella because she wants to do it again. She really likes it a lot. Say hi!
We're on a dino. And Primo went with it. Want to hit it? Hit it.
And over here is where Donald used to be. He's not here anymore, obviously. Isabella, did you like the dino ride? Yeah, it was fun, right? You went on it 2 times. Wow, that was fun, right? Did you like the dino ride?
Very scary.
Yeah, I thought it was really fun actually. It has like a little kick to it. It's fun. So David and I just went on Everest and we did single rider. We got right on, so easy. Definitely worth it doing single rider. And Everest was only a 15-minute wait, even so. What did you see? What did you do while we were on Everest? What were you doing?
Dragon.
A dragon? You were watching the what? The roller coaster. Did you see Mommy on it?
Wow.
No? Did you see Daddy on it? Yeah? Oh, cool. We are just walking around Animal Kingdom and I don't know what we're gonna do, but we tried to get the safari ride, but the safari ride is actually like unavailable right now, so can't do that. So yeah.
You say we maxed out our Genie Plus?
Yeah, we maxed it out.
Except for the Cali River Rapids.
Yeah, I didn't want to do that anyway because you get all wet and everything. I didn't want to get all wet. So here there's a new show for the 50th anniversary of Walt Disney World. And this is the new show on the Tree of Life. It's a couple of different shows that appear on the tree.
Night, a special magic flows through the Tree of Life, the magic of nature. We gather together as our luminosity ignites the dancing fireflies, creating a beacon that shines out in celebration of 50 years of the most magical place on earth. Magical place on earth.
And over here is the Bambi statue with Thumper. So cute. Bambi and Thumper. So we are back at the hotel room now. There's actually a giraffe outside. I think it might be sleeping or something. I'm not sure. I'll insert a picture of it now because it's too dark to actually show you guys. But that was pretty cool to see. I just put Isabella to sleep, so she's sleeping. And tomorrow will be a fun day. We're gonna go to Hollywood Studios and have some fun there. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you real soon. Bye, guys.